This is Roel Alpanti of MMM. The ideology of MMM. MMM Global Community Age Society, a new and unique social phenomenon in which people really do help each other. MMM is a global network of people offering mutual help, having past steps, growth, and under permanent development. Those members, by providing assistance to each other and guided by a certain system of rules, create their own personal income up to 30% per month. MMM is also a social network of people that helps each other. MMM member of community donate and send money directly to the participant. MMM is not a company nor a business as well. In MMM, Mabro is derived from the founder's name, Sergey Mabro. It is designed to reward its participants to exercise the power of giving by declaring their intention to provide help to the community. Mabro is the conventional unit in the system that grows 3.75% every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 times in a month, or 30% a month. It's a system reward that if you need help, the amount that you can help is based on the accumulated Mabros, and someone from the community will provide help. That's MMM's works. By exchange, they spare money to improve their well-being. The money you spare is directly transferred among the participants into their Bitcoin's currency wallet account. Everybody gains for this new trustful financial relationship. If you're a participant today, you help someone, and tomorrow someone will help you. Some rules of MMM: you can get 30% per month for your help in MMM and 10% per referral bonus by the people you invited. You can have 20 to 10% extra bonus per month for the new program added by MMM, that is the Extra Mabro. In Extra Mabro, you do a task every day provided by the system. It depends on the amount you donated on the Mabro Extra. If you are a manager, you can earn these bonuses: 5% for the first level of participant contributed, those who under you directly; 3% for the second level of participant contributed, those whose managers are your first level participant; 1% for the third level, 0.5% for the fourth level, 0.3% for the fifth level, and 0.1% all the next level. And that's all.